fellow adjudicators, our esteemed judges, and the fellow survivors of the grading system. I did not get the academic distinctions, but I still managed to drive the Mercedes-Benz that I desired and dreamt of. Well, the school system teaches you a lesson and gives you the test, but the real world does the opposite. It gives you the test, then teaches you the lesson. Let's be frank, we have all been there. You stare at a piece of paper, and when you stare at a single letter or number stares back at you, in that very moment you think your entire future and your entire desires have been flushed out completely. But I am here to share some liberating truth with you. Success is not measured by grades alone. If life was determined by a mere report card, then the most famous great minds could have been totally forgotten and slipped under the desks, flushed out completely. Think about Albert Einstein. His teachers literally said he could not do anything, all because he hated memorization. Steve Jobs dropped out of school in the first year out of college and went and built computers in a garage. The power found in resilience, transformation, and believing in yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in societies where grades and academic performances determine our beliefs, to determine our future. But let's be real, our future is built out of transformation, out of being the ladies and gentlemen who bring about ideas that turn the dreams into the realities, that turn all those, goals written down on papers into tangible things. Ladies and gentlemen, a red pen can measure how well you perform in class, but it cannot measure your creativity. It cannot raise that holistic and talented individual who gets the screwdriver and connects to the phone so that he connects the actuators and the sensors so that the actuators can help in the output and display of the data to the screen. With C's and U's on his O-level certificate, Arthur Marara is a transformational speaker, a keynote speaker who brings about transformation, motivates the feeble-minded, challenges those with weak minds, with only the art and the development of talent without grades. Success belongs to the creative thinkers. It belongs to the kind-hearted, to the people who see the need to bring in new ideas, to bridge the gap between technology and innovation. The real world doesn't care about your grade point average GPA. The real world looks and sees, what do you bring to the table? How creative are you? What innovation do you bring if we employ you into our company? Ladies and gentlemen, let's think wisely and act smartly, but never let a percentage define your potential, because you are more than a mere number on a page. You are more than an egg. You are a superstar. You shine and bring about global transformation to the world. So, what do I urge you to do? And I leave you with a question. Who are you? Why on earth are you here? I thank you, and I go by J.